In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import email template into Mailchimp via zip file format. To get started, sign into your Mailchimp account and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you are inside, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will find the main navigation options you need to manage campaigns, audiences, and templates. For this process, you will want to click on Campaigns. After that section expands, select Email Templates. This will take you to the area where Mailchimp stores and manages your saved email designs. When you arrive on the Email Templates page, take a moment to look toward the top right section of the screen. You should see a button labeled Code Your Own with a small drop-down arrow next to it. This option is used when you want to bring in a custom-built template rather than using one of Mailchimp's standard drag-and-drop layouts. Click the drop-down arrow to open the available choices. Then select Import Zip. After choosing Import Zip, a new upload window will appear. Here, click the Add File button to begin selecting your template file. Browse to the location on your computer where your prepared zip file is saved. Click on the file and then choose Open. Make sure the zip file has already been properly prepared before uploading. Since Mailchimp expects the contents to be packaged correctly for the import to work smoothly, taking an extra second here to confirm you picked the right file can help you avoid uploading the wrong template version. Once your file has been added, the final step is simple. Click the Import button to complete the upload. Mailchimp will then process the zip file and import your email template into your account. Depending on the file size and your connection speed, this may take a few moments. So just give it a little time to finish. After the import is complete, your template should appear in your email templates area, ready for you to review and use in a campaign. It's always a good idea to open the imported template and double-check that the layout, images, and formatting appear the way you expect before sending it to subscribers. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.